you guys? This is your girl Disparate Amelia back again with another VI-DE-OOO haul. I hope you all are having a blessed week and have found multiple things to be grateful for. So this has been my go-to summer look. Most likely, if I've seen you or have been out with you this summer, this is the look that I've been sporting. Natural look on the face, just a pop of color on the lips to give you a little shine, but it's definitely been working for me and it's gonna be my go-to for the summer. So continue to watch if you guys would like to see how I achieve this look. All right, today I'm going to be doing an updated makeup routine slash get ready with me type of video. It's not going to be too talky, but I will be talking about a couple of items in the routine because I want to give you guys some more information on the things that I have. But we're going to go ahead and get started. Y'all ready? Let's go. Hopefully the lighting is good. I am still going through, you know, how to change my ISO and stuff on my camera, so just bear with me until I figure it out. It's set on auto right now, so I can't really change it. So I don't really prime my face for my makeup routine, but I do use this Pond's Dry Skin Cream Facial Moisturizer. And the reason why I wanted to do a new routine is because I changed a lot of things in my routine. Sorry, I'm looking down. And I bought some new stuff because a lot of my old stuff ran out. If you know me, you just know that I like things the way they are, especially when it comes to my face. Here's to trying some new stuff out. So first we're gonna go in with their LA Girl Pro Concealer. This is their orange concealer. Honestly, this is my go-to summer beat, so I'm not trying to put a lot on my face. As you can see, I have some spots and stuff because my skin has been acting really crazy. Okay, so I'm looking in this mirror so I can see what's going on, but we're just gonna put some dots. I don't want to put it everywhere because I don't need it everywhere. I'm not gonna put things in places that I don't feel like I need it. So just putting things in the places that I feel like I do. All right, so we have the orange concealer down, and I do a lot of layers too, so I feel like what I don't get in the first layer, I'm definitely gonna get in the second layer. But we're just covering some of the dark spots that I have on my skin. Now we're gonna go in with our foundation. I use this Clinique Beyond Perfecting foundation and concealer, so it's a 2-in-1. That's why I don't use a lot of concealer on my face. And I am in the color Ginger right now, but I feel like I'm a little bit darker than my shade, but you guys will see how I do to correct that. I think I need to get a deeper shade because I'm definitely a little bit darker than what's going on here. All right, now we're gonna beat this face. We're still looking a little red in some areas, so that is where I add more of my foundation. Just some dotted areas where I feel like I might need a little bit more coverage because you see my skin is a little bit red. And as you can also tell, I went up into my ear area because that is a clear definer that you did not blend well. Like, I know people say blend that neck, which, you know, I will later on, but if you can see, your ear and your face can be two different colors, so I usually try to blend with my ear too. I learned that from being on set. And then as you can see, I also avoided the eye area because I'm gonna go in with some concealer. So we're just gonna continue to blend this foundation and then we'll keep going to the next step. All right, so I'm looking a little scary right now because I only have the foundation, not my eyes concealed. So we're gonna go ahead and get you another LA Girl Pro Conceal High Definition Concealer. And this one is in Toffee, so it's a little bit, well, maybe a lot of bit lighter than my skin tone. And I'm gonna go and conceal my eyes. So I go underneath my eye as well as on the top of my eye. I have a dark spot in the corner of this eyeball, but not in this eyeball, but you know, you gotta make it look consistent throughout. So if we're gonna put makeup on this side, we're gonna put makeup on this side too. And then we're going to beat it. Beat. You see the brightness in my eye now? I know I put concealer over it, but you can see like how much lighter this eyeball is compared to this one. So we have concealed this face. Now it is time to set. Let's set. I've been wanting this Laura Mercier powder for ever. I wanted to get it in the skin tone, like the deeper skin tone, but I got the translucent powder because I just figured it would be more universal for the looks that I'm going for. The only reason why I'm doing this next step is because I have laugh lines, and usually when I do my makeup I try my best not to talk or to make any creases before I set, because yeah, they crease. And I also have wrinkles at the top. All right, so we are on there. I applied the translucent powder. I try not to let this sit on for a minute, but it's here, 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 and on my eyes. So what I first do is dust it off. Before I take off what's on my eyes, because those usually need to stay a little bit longer, I go in with this NARS Soft Velvet Pressed Powder in the color Heat. And I actually go back over, since you know I didn't apply any powder to my cheeks, I go back over all the areas with this powder. And this also makes my skin, this powder makes my skin a lot warmer. So that's how I achieve to get a little sun kiss action, since my foundation is a little ashy. And we're gonna blend in the ear, like I said. And as I'm going around my face is when I dust the translucent powder off of my eye. A little feather, a little dusty. Ooh, stick myself in the eye. So now, as you can see, my skin is very even. This is basically the longest part of the routine. We're now gonna go in with the Yes Please palette in the color Note to Self to get the top of my lids just a little bit more brown like the rest of my face. Can you see the difference? It's a little bit more subtle when you add the shade, and a little bit less bright because I like when my skin is looking even. When they say natural, this is what we give them. Now we're gonna fill in those brows with this Wet n Wild retractable brow pencil. This is in the color medium brown because I don't like doing my eyebrows in dark colors. I guess it just goes with like the natural look. My hair is like 1B blackish brown, but you know, we opt for the brown. You guys some brow action. Now we're gonna go in with some mascara to complete the whole natural look. Okay, so this is Mega Plush Volume Mascara, Maybelline Collection. This doesn't have what color it is, but I'm pretty sure the color is just called brown. It's definitely not black. I always have to hold my mirror like right underneath, if you can see, like right underneath my eyelash so I can see them, because I love going in on my eyelashes. So that's what I'm about to do. Here we go. One eye done, the next to go. All right. And usually I would go even more when I'm doing like a more dramatic style, but you know, it's supposed to be natural. This is basically it for the natural look. I'm now gonna give you a red lip to accompany this look. And we're gonna go with my absolute favorite red, which is Avenue from ColourPop. I've been using this for years and it never fails to be my favorite summer look. So that's the color we're gonna go for. I did have chapstick on. I was using the Simple Truth Organic Moisturizing Lip Balm in Strawberry Lavender. It took me some time to get used to like the smell, because I hate when things like have a certain scent, but I got used to it. As you can see, my lips are highly moisturized because this is a mattifying lipstick. I usually just kiss the back of my hand to rub a little bit of it off so that it doesn't completely change the formula of the mattifying lipstick. I saw a thing that was talking about how people apply their lipstick, if they start in the middle and go out or start from the corners, and I'm definitely a corner girl. I don't know, I always start from the corners and go in. I got a lot of lip to go around, so I gotta make sure I have full coverage all the way, okay? So we're gonna zoom into these lips so y'all can see what I'm talking about. I know I got a lot of pore action. Y'all are really seeing my pores, and especially with this light trying to expose me. Let's go ahead with this lipstick. One swipe, baby. We ain't re-zip for that. We ain't re-zip for that. Full coverage, boo. All right, so this is the completed look that you will see. After everything is done, I spray my face with the e.l.f. Makeup Mist and Set. Baby. All right, so I'm gonna undo my hair so you guys can get the full and finished look, okay? All right, well, this is the final look with my natural hair. I've been rocking braids for a majority of the summer, but I'm giving my hair a little break to give her some tender, loving care. But that is the final look. I hope you guys really enjoyed. Please remember to like, share, and subscribe. Let me know if you guys want to see more of these kind of videos, like makeup videos, me talking about the products that I love. I'm so excited that I'm back in here talking with you guys again. But thank you so much for watching, and I will see you all next time, okay? Bye.